Hi everyone, so today I am going to take the review of the Nimble House automatic single outlet water timer. So behind this timer, this is the compartment where you insert the batteries. You can just take it out like this. And this has a rubber gasket, this black color, so the water does not go inside. I'm just going to insert it back. You should only insert alkaline batteries, AA. So to set the timer, you have to set clock. So I'm going to. So first we have to set clock. You have to set the time of your destination, at which place you are. So I'm going to. So you have to press the plus and minus button. So pressing the plus button, the time will go forward. You can see. And pressing the minus button, the time will go backwards. So now for showing you, I'll set it at 7:52. Start time, at what time I want the timer to start. So I'm going to set it at I'm going to set the start time. You can see this arrow, start time, at 8 o'clock. How long? So for now I'm going to set it 1 minute. How often? You can set how long, you can set till 2 to 3 hours. How often? So going to set it every 1 day. So every 1 day at this particular timer, at this particular time, this will start watering the plants. So off, if you don't want to water, you can just press it in off. And this is the manual button. So this will manually water your plants. So I'm going to press this in. I'm going to give this in auto. In auto mode, it automatically waters your plant. So it shows 6 minutes, the time 7:54. So it shows that in next start time is 6 minutes. So in 6 minutes it will start watering the plants. So this is how this timer works. So I'm going to insert this inside, and you have this ring shaped thing to hold this in place. So you have fixed it, and you have to just slightly turn on the tap. So now it's showing in 2 minutes it will start watering. So I'm just going to forward. So now you can see that it will start in 1 minute. So now the watering has started for a minute. Shows that start and 1 minute. So I'm going to show you the plants. It's water. So we have given the drip irrigation. It's a Sinagro drip irrigation kit, and the product is given in the description below, the product link. So I'm going to show you watering the plants. So as you can see, at the specified time water is coming. So this is the drip irrigation that we have installed. So this is a wonderful automatic timer. It works really well. The programming is really simple. And the product link, as I told, it's given in the description below. We can use this timer when we are going outside for holidays. So this is a wonderful timer. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.